this lesson, we are going to look at the basics of a parabola with parabolas in the form of y is equal to ax squared plus c and y is equal to x minus h all squared plus k. We will discover how the parabola will appear when the values of a, c, h and k are changed. This lesson will look at the coefficient of x squared and see how it determines both how narrow the parabola is as well as the concavity. As you can see, the greater the value of x, the more narrow the parabola is. We can see this by graphing the parabola y is equal to 4x squared. And if we compare this to y is equal to x squared, it is more narrow. Now, if we have to graph y is equal to half x squared, we know that the parabola will be wider. So the parabola with the equation y is equal to half x squared will appear like this. Besides from the coefficient of x squared determining how narrow the parabola is, it also determines the concavity of the parabola on whether it is facing up or down. If the value of a is a negative number, then the parabola will be concave down. An easy way of remembering this is by remembering a sad face. And with this, it correlates to the negative sign. So if we look at the simplest form of a parabola being y is equal to x squared, and we change the concavity to be down, then the new equation will be y is equal to negative x squared. And if we were to draw this, the narrowness of the parabola will still be the same, whilst the concavity will change to be down. So the new parabola will appear and if we change the equation of y is equal to 4x squared to y is equal to negative 4x squared, then the narrowness will still be the same, but the concavity will change. So it will look like this. And our equation is now y is equal to negative 4x squared. And if we look at the third parabola, as you can see, the concavity has changed, but the steepness is still the same as y is equal to half x squared. So this parabola will have the equation of y is equal to negative half x squared. This lesson, all we did was see what would happen if the value of a would change in the equation y is equal to ax squared. So we looked at the concavity of a parabola, but also how narrow the parabola was. With these parabolas, the vertex point is always 0, 0. For the next few lessons, we'll learn how to shift parabolas both vertically and horizontally.